As traders at Axis Bank say that they expect much more trade and improved offers this week on the shorter end of the T-bills curve as investors cherry pick high-yielding instruments. Eki Teddy-Onaghise, Treasury Sales Member at Axis Bank, joins me now for more on the midweek market updates. Eki, thank you so much for joining us. It's Valentine's Day, but the mood in the air isn't one we're too happy about following the passing of Herbert Wigwe. I know definitely this sends ripples across the office. But let's talk about how the market is faring this week so far.
All right, thank you for having me, David, and happy Valentine's Day as well. So in the money markets, we opened with a balance, we closed the balance of 222 billion yesterday, which is coming to an increase of about 4 billion from the previous day. And the OBB and overnight rate closed at 15.2 and 16.2% respectively. This level of liquidity filtered into the fixed income market, where we saw some bullish trend in the Treasury bills market. There was really not much trade, but at the end of the day, we saw some buying sentiment on the one-year paper, which closed at about 17%, while on the bond market, we also saw interest on the on-the-run bonds on 14%, on the 14-year paper, which closed at about 17.9%. While on the FX markets, we saw the intervention from the central bank yesterday to some banks. They made some sales to some banks, and there was an appreciation of the naira of about 35 naira, and the NAFEX closed at about 112 levels yesterday.
And let's talk about liquidity levels.
On the money market?
Yes.
Yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, the money market closed at about 200 billion yesterday, which was an increase of about 4 billion from the previous day levels, while the OBB and overnight rate closed between 15.6% to 16.2% respectively.
And as we're looking
there's really no there's no significant debit going to filter into the market this week. So we expect the same trading sentiments to apply to towards the end of the week.
Okay, Eki, thank you so much for your time on the show today. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. We'll leave the conversation here for now, and my regards to the rest of the team over there as we continue to mourn the passing of Herbert Wigwe.
Thank you.
That was Eki Teddy-Onaghise, Treasury Sales Member at Axis Bank.